it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking to upgrade your patio, no need to look any further. Definitely check out these deck tiles from NewTechWood. I love the upgraded look it gives my patio at an amazing price. The product is made phenomenal. It's so easy to connect the tiles, and I like that you can even arrange them to your own style. And I love that you're able to leave it outdoors no matter the weather. If it's sunny, if it's raining, these patio tiles do not get ruined. I've had mine outdoors for quite a while now, and they've held up really nicely. The color has not faded in the sun, and the water just drains right through the tiles. Up close, you can see how beautiful the color is in Roman antique. I love the grainy look of the deck tiles. It makes it look like real wood. So if you're looking for a high quality deck tile, definitely check out these beautiful deck tiles from NewTechWood. That's my point of view.